Hey guys, I'm going to be, oh yeah, it's Skylar. Autumn is right next to me.
Hi.
So we are going to be playing The Wolf, as you can see here. I have to go upstairs and plug, okay, yes, I gotta plug in my tablet before it stops recording. Yes, I'm going to be a black wolf. Dark forest. I'm kind of weird. We're all weird in our own ways.
I just did chip.
You mean you chipped a tooth?
That's something that I ate.
Sugar.
Not really.
Sugar.
Your bed is so tall. No, I like your black wolf.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna play Crystal Village on,
Crystal Village? Close. Yeah, next time we are going to be playing Call of Duty. Again.
Yay.
And I won't forget to post it this time. What the heck? Sorry if it sounded like a bad word to you.
Mape. My sponsor. My dogs are fighting. Not in real life. I'm playing a game.
Yeah, she's playing Minecraft, which I'm going to be playing in next time, or Call of Duty.
Minecraft may be old, but
Sorry. Yeah, Minecraft might be an old one.
old timer. But
Name that.
I think I'm gonna just do normal.
Quick healing. Hufflepuff. 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 Doesn't it sound like Hufflepuff, guys? Bye.